Sarah and Asia got a couple of fouls really early. The refs were really tight on us with calling fouls, so Coach had faith in me to put me in, and he knew that I would be able to follow the scouting report. And even though like in the middle of the season I wasn't getting as much minutes, I was just paying attention to that scouting report and executing. And the most important thing is defensive rebounding, and that's what he told me to focus on.
Do you feel like that you? Yeah. Do you feel like that you, while you weren't getting the minutes, you knew you were improving? You knew that if you had to step in, you could do it.
Yeah, like it gets kind of hard because like the season's really long and everything. So I just kept sticking with it, and I knew that when I needed to be ready for when my name was called, because if my name was called and I wasn't ready, then I would just be throwing away an opportunity. So just staying ready and being able to execute when Coach needs me to.
How nice is it to be home?
It's nice. It's really nice.
No travel, no hotels.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice to be in my own room and have a little bit more like comfort and everything, so it's going to be really nice. And having all the people here, there'll be thousands of people, so it should be really nice, especially since it's the Sweet 16. It should be a really great crowd.